Hey friends, welcome to Uttara Shrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you tired of making a dessert that takes too long to prepare? Well, I have a really easy 3-ingredient dessert recipe even babies can make. Oh wait, babies are too young to cook. I can't wait to make this recipe. Let's take a glance on the ingredients. Pancake mix, salt, and finally Oreos. Let's set a pan with oil for preheating on medium heat. Oil temperature should be around 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While the oil is getting ready, let's prepare the batter. In a mixing bowl, add pancake mix, salt, and little water, and whisk until no dry lumps remain. The mix should be thick, but not too thick, something like this. Check the description box below to find a homemade pancake mix recipe. Dip the Oreos into the batter one at a time and carefully place into the hot frying oil. I'm using a fork so that the hot oil does not splash on my hand. Cook until the cookies are golden brown, about 2 minutes. Drain on a paper towel lined plate. Go ahead and repeat the same process to fry all the Oreos. Whenever I go to a fair, I always want to buy funnel cake and fried Oreos. The sweet smell and the crunchy taste is just amazing. Comment down below what your favorite fair food is. Transfer to serving dish and garnish with mint leaves, icing sugar, and some chocolate.
Before you eat, you have to wash your hands.
Here comes our little cookie monster. Hey bud, you ready to try some amazing deep fried Oreos? How does it taste?
I'm gonna eat everything.
When Avi bit the Oreo, did you hear that crunchy sound? Thanks for helping us, Avi. This is a message to all kids. If you're gonna make this recipe, make sure to have an adult so you don't get hurt. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!